Escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary with the 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean. This premium camper van is your passport to adventure, transforming every journey into an unforgettable escapade. Are you ready to write your own adventure story with the 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean? The 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean elevates the camper van experience to new heights of comfort, convenience, and style. This top-of-the-line trim from Volkswagen is designed for those who demand the best, seamlessly blending the comforts of home with the thrill of the open road. Stepping into the California Ocean is like entering a well-appointed living space on wheels. The interior is tastefully designed with high-quality materials and thoughtful touches. The rear bench converts into a spacious bed, while the well-equipped kitchen area with a sink, stove, and ample cabinetry ensures culinary adventures on the go. The pop-up roof expands the interior, providing ample headroom and ventilation when parked. Additional features like heating for the driver and front passenger seats, a Climatronic climate control system, and a roof storage box further enhance the living experience. The California Ocean doesn't compromise on technology, even amidst its adventurous spirit. An advanced infotainment system keeps you connected and entertained on the road, while app control for various camper functions adds convenience and personalization. Availability may vary. A suite of driver assistance features, including lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and potentially more advanced features, provides peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2025 Volkswagen California Ocean carries an estimated starting price in the US of over $105,000. While it may be the priciest in the California lineup, the Ocean justifies its premium price tag with its luxurious amenities, advanced features, and commitment to comfort.